This 2026 Winnebago Ekko AWD 23B is a Class C RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Winnebago Ekko AWD 23B and is powered by an MB 2.0 LHO 4-cylinder turbo engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.